I'm in an attic of a house that's about 5 years old and I found something interesting, so have a look. You can see this house has a radiant barrier type roof decking here. This one's made by LP. It's called Tech Shield. It's a foil lined OSB product. And this is what it looks like whenever you have a leak in it. Down here, see if we can get a better view. So sometime there has been a leak and it caused that foil to kind of crumble away, and I can't really get over there to see the roof decking exactly, but I'm pretty sure it's in pretty rough shape right there. And also right under all of this, let's see if we can get up and get a better view up here. We are missing insulation. So at some point this has been repaired, or at least somewhat repaired, but not completely, because we still have damaged roof decking and missing insulation. The buyer of this house did not receive any type of disclosure of anything that happened here, and so this will be something that they definitely, now that they know about it, they can go back to the seller and say, hey, what happened here, and let's see if we can get it corrected properly.